I thought I'd let you hear it. Swivel head. I like the lights. The headlights. All right. This is a review for the Hart Tools upright vacuum. I think this just recently became available on the Walmart.com site. I am a Walmart Spark Review member, so I received this vacuum to review it. It is made by Hart Tools. I've been using it for a while now, and actually it's a pretty good vacuum. It has a swivel head. It is pet grade. It's a little bit loud, but it works pretty well. It's got quite a brush on it, that's for sure, which you can turn off. It also has a very long reach, like 13-foot reach for the wand, and also has a 30-foot cord, which is quite long. I think one of the best aspects of it, there are quite a few reviews now on the Walmart.com site, but my favorite is this suction control. So, because I have some light carpets and it's hard to vacuum those, and you can turn the brush off, but if you turn this, you lighten the suction so it won't suck up my little rugs, which I love, and it's really easy. You just turn it. It's very easy to take the large canister off and replace it. Very easy. It's got a swivel head, so there is no height adjustment, but you can make up for that with the suction control and the brush control. It's a little bit heavy, and besides being heavy, it's also a little bit loud, which is not really the motor being loud, but it's actually the brush action. Like, the brush is working overtime. Like, the brush is making some noise. All in all, it's a pretty good vacuum, and it's like $128 or something right now. It's a pretty good deal. So that is my review for the Hart Tools upright vacuum.